Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to activate two WhatsApp accounts on your OnePlus Nord C3 Lite. So, if you need the second WhatsApp account for the work, for example, with separated contact numbers, I'm gonna show you two tricks for that. The first one, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the WhatsApp, but not for the normal app, look for the WhatsApp Business. Install that one, and by this way, we have a two WhatsApp account on one device. If you want to create the next one, open the Play Store and look for the Dual Space app. Choose one of them. I previously installed that one, so we can launch it, agree the terms, and allow a permission and allow a notification if you need. We are creating the WhatsApp, so it could be helpful, but I don't need to. Now add the permissions to files, and now just open the WhatsApp, and whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating the next WhatsApp application. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.